How to take channel. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new local user account in Windows 10 without email. Create a local user account in Windows 10 is very easy. Just follow the step by step to create a new administrator account in Windows 10. Click Setting and then Account. Click Family and Other People and add someone else to this PC. In this screen, click I don't have this person sign in information and also add a user without a Microsoft account and fill the PC name or account name. Okay, in this video, the PC name is how to take, fill the password through. If you don't hint the password hint, the error will get you, and then change the account type to the administrator and then click OK. Okay, the account how to take is created. Try to sign in to how to take the new user account. The user account is successfully created, and this is the new user local account in Windows 10. That is how to create a new administrator local user account in Windows 10 without email. See you!